Let me show you how to grow your own jackfruit tree from seeds. The first step is to get the seeds out of the fruit. Since they're usually massive, I just bought a small pre-cut piece. You can simply remove the seeds by hand or use a spoon to scoop them out. Now, to help the seeds germinate, I like to put them into wet paper towel and put them in a warm place for some day. After just 10 days, the large seed cracked open and started to grow a small, healthy root. Now it's time to plant the seed. Use a well-draining potting mix and place the seed about 1 inch deep into the soil. For best results, choose a light, nutrient-rich soil. A mix of coconut coir and compost works great. Make sure to cover the seed properly with the soil and water it. Already, after about 2 weeks, the seed started to show some growth. Jackfruit trees love warm weather, so make sure they're in a sunny spot. They take a few years to mature, but once they do, you'll have your very own fresh jackfruit. Let us now see how the little tree grows its first leaves in time-lapse. The little tree started to lose its lower leaves, and I decided to stop the time-lapse project and plant the tree outdoors after a while, since I assumed that the 24-hour light were a bit too stressful. Thanks for watching, and let me know down in the comments what tutorial you would be interested in to see next.